Hey guys, today we're doing some headlight restoration. I have some pictures of what the headlights looked like before, but after doing some light work on them and some polishing, you can see the headlights look absolutely beautiful. And I'll have pictures shown, that way you guys can see what they looked like before. They looked very yellow. Right now we're also setting up the paint protection film. We have a cutout for the headlights. This customer opted out for the 10-year protection with the headlight film, so it's gonna look absolutely beautiful, guys, and I'll let you guys know how that looks. Guys, we just removed the tape around the edges. This was to ensure that we didn't damage the paint on the vehicle itself. And as you can see, the headlights look absolutely beautiful, clear. They're ready to go home, but unfortunately, we're not gonna let that happen because we are going to put some paint protection film on them right now. Just cleaning off all the excess material from the sander and the polisher and all that stuff that washed down on the vehicle. And now we're gonna clean it up, clean around the edges, and install that PPF so the headlights stay protected for a good 10 years. Alrighty guys, we're all set with the headlights. Look at these beautiful headlights, now refined with the PPF on top, and we actually topped that off with some ceramic coating as well. Beautiful headlights. Now these headlights are gonna last the customer 10 years. No more having to worry about the vehicle having yellow headlights and being unable to see out of them while driving it out at night. Let us know if you need a service like this. Our phone number is 831-241-7990, or you could always visit us on our website at realbrosautopros.com, or contact us through Yelp at Real Bros Auto Pros. If your headlights are turning yellow, you guys know who to contact, or if they're getting blurry. Alrighty guys, the car is out of the shop and we're outside now, and it looks absolutely beautiful. This customer is going to be extremely happy with their headlights being revived again. I'm going to show you guys again what the headlights looked like at the beginning, but God, they look so beautiful, so clean, and ready to hit the road.